Let me guess. You've tried every diet, every workout, and yet you still feel stuck. You want to lose weight, feel better, and actually see results. But life gets in the way. You're too busy, too tired, and honestly, you just don't have the time or energy to count calories all day. Sound familiar? Well, good news, you don't need to. Today we're breaking down intermittent fasting, what it is, why it works, how much fat you can actually burn, and a simple step-by-step guide to doing it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start and see real results. Let's go! Okay, first things first. What the heck is intermittent fasting, or IF? Simply put, it's not about what you eat, but when you eat. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting. No crazy meal plans, no calorie counting, just time management for your food. Think of it as scheduled eating that lets your body burn fat efficiently. The most popular method? The 16-8 method, fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. For example, if you eat your first meal at 12 p.m., your last meal is by 8 p.m., and from there, no food till the next day at noon. Simple, right? Now, why should you even consider IF? Well, here are the major benefits. Fat burning machine. When you fast, your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel. Less insulin equals more fat loss. Simpler life. No need to worry about cooking breakfast or counting every calorie. Just eat within your window and be done. Boosts brain power. IF increases brain function, improves focus, and even helps protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. Longevity hack. Studies show fasting can help you live longer by reducing inflammation and slowing aging. Saves money and time. Fewer meals means less cooking, fewer dishes, and less money spent on snacks. Win-win. All right, I know you want to hear some numbers. How much weight can you actually lose? Let's say you normally eat around 2,500 calories per day. By skipping breakfast and sticking to a 16-8 window, you naturally eat fewer calories, around 1,800 to 2,000. That's a 500-calorie deficit daily, which means roughly 1 pound of fat loss per week. Multiply that by a month, and boom, 4 to 5 pounds gone without changing what you eat. Of course, results vary, but combine intermittent fasting with clean eating and you'll see even faster progress. Now here's your simple, no BS, step-by-step guide to getting started with intermittent fasting. Step 1. Choose your fasting window. Beginners can try 12-12, which is fasting for 12 hours and eating for 12 hours. Intermediate fasters might go for 14-10, and advanced folks can aim for 16-8. Step 2. Skip breakfast and have black coffee or water. No sugar, no milk. Just plain water, black coffee, or tea. Step 3. Break your fast with a high-protein meal. Think eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, something filling. Step 4. Eat 2 to 3 meals in your eating window. Stick to whole foods like lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Step 5. Stop eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. This helps with digestion and better sleep. Step 6. Repeat daily and be consistent. Let's take a real-life example. My friend Jake, he's a super busy guy, barely counting calories. He started intermittent fasting with a 16-8 window, cutting out breakfast, eating lunch at noon, and dinner at 7 p.m. No extreme workouts, no diet change, and in 3 months, pounds just by controlling when he eats. So if Jake, a self-proclaimed lazy dude, can do this, so can you. All right, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. Have you tried intermittent fasting before? What's your biggest struggle with it? And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one. Stay fit, stay focused.